Cocomi Sinduna Manipur Kanba Khongchat'Meeoi Lising Kayana Saruk Yaduna Mapung Fana Pangthokkhre Kumja Lisingani Kunhumdoi May Tang Ahumdagi Haurakiba Irang Namaram Oraga Ngasi Fawda Manipurda Fivam Tadana Tangduleitadana Leiba Tangduleitana Leiba Ngamdabata Natana Meoi Kaya Relief Game da Masagi Mayum da Hanjinba Fangdana Lady Masida Natana Micham Kaya Cocomi Singi Makuta Punsi Loiki, Meoi Karana, Ngasi Fawa Tiva Fangdana, Lady, Nakalama the Su Irang Asina, Santok Lambi, Lazata Bas Sing the Hena Awaba, Mayuk Nadun Lady, Lunina Manipuri Assembly suspended animation that Laytuna President's rule Tamlak Basi, Lakleba, February Tang Tara Humdoida, Jay Amapung Faga the Ribani, Masida Tangdu Laita Draba, Manipur Asibu, Kanabagi the Magda, Cocomi Sinduna, Ngasi Manipur Kanba Khongchat'Meeoi, Hari Balam Sang Khongchat'Meeoi Mahairoi, Micham, Tongan CSO Sing Organization Club Lonina Ato Pahiram Kayada Tavak Toriba Kayana Santa Leptuna Saruk Yaduna Khongchat'Meeoi Mapung Fana Chatki Khongchat'Meeoi Kwakaitel Tidim Ground Dagi Hauduna Kaisampa Junction Tarba Matung Waheng Lekadi Nagamapal Taduna Koyatung Dagi Tangmeban Gi Tau Ground da Lamtungpam Oiki Tungda Miam Gi Oiba Achoba Mifam Masuma Famatuda Pangthokkhre Miam Gi Oiba Mifamatuda Tongan Baluf Kayagi leader Amadi Representative Singna Manipur Kanba Gi Damakta Magi Oiba Wakalon Sting Fongdoknaki Amadi Manipur Kanba Khongchat'Ki Miam Gi Oiba Mifamaduna Waref Karasulauki Haribo Waref Singadudi Su Khudakta Lautokadabani Sugi Mingda Kuki Lalhoba Singna Toning Bata Tawhliba Asi Khudakta Lepkadabani Amasung Matik Chaba action Laugadabani Indiana Manipurda Thokliba Irang Asibu Aranba Wari Singbul Amada Puthaduna Kanglofki Irang ni Haiba Propaganda Asi Kudakta Lepkadabani Amasung Kanglofki Irangi Mingda Miamgi Fangfang Thokpa Hak Sing Matpa Amadi Temsing Naba Kudakta Lepkadabani IDP Singi Akagnaba Policy Sing Semduna Amadi Akagnaba Matamgi Manuda Masamasagi Mayumda Hangadabani Lonina IDP Singbu Luna Chana Tobibaga Lonina Makoibu Sexina Ngakpi Sinbigadabani Chinko Ki Narco Terrorist Singi Cross Border Terror Activities Sing Lefhan Gadabani Makoigi Cross Border Network Sing Tuaibaga Lonina Illegal Infrastructure Sing Loktogadabani Constitution Apiriba Miamgi Hak Amasung Lengak Fanghalu Lonina Transparency Amadi Accountability Labor Governance Athoba Matamda Lehengadabani Manipur Gi Territorial Amadi Administrative Integrity Ngaktuna Thamgadabani Manipur Miyamgi Democratic Right Amasung Mandate India Government na Ikai Khumnagadabani Manipur NRC Natroga Masiga Manaba Mechanism Athoba Matamda Paikhatuna Lisang Sitna India Government na Ayaba Piduna Sangsil Halak Liba Mitop Singh Khandokadabani Amadi Manipur Miyamna National Highway Singda Maningtamna Chatpa Yadadana Lady Basi India Government na Kudaktagi Chatpa Yahanduna Chatnaba Hona Hangadabani Haiba Wafam Singh Waref Singh Asini.
As you have witnessed, the kind of response given by the people of Manipur truly express their discontentment towards the policy of the Government of India in regard to this ongoing crisis in the state of Manipur. The Government of India seems to be ignorant or deliberately trying to, manage this crisis situation for over 2.5 years. Now the people have already understood that this is not a natural ethnic conflict that has created the crisis in the state of Manipur. It is rather a complicit attitude and a deliberate attempt of the Government of India to wage a proxy war against the people of Manipur using foreign-based armed mercenaries as well as Chinkokin narco-terrorist groups in the state of Manipur. The prolonged suspension of the human rights of the 60,000 IDPs and the 3 million population of the state at large, where their fundamental rights have been suspended for over 2.5 years. The people of Manipur are now very anxious and very angry towards the policy and the initiatives and the attitude of the Government of India. And today in this rally, people have come out in huge number to send a clear message that enough of their proxy war. It is time for the Government of India to change their policy towards the state of Manipur. The integrity of the state should be remain intact. The breeding of narco-terrorism in the hill areas of the Manipur should be controlled and contained at the earliest. The prolonged suspension of the human rights violations gross human rights violations of 3 million population of the people of Manipur should be stopped immediately, and the constitutional rights, the citizen rights of the people of Manipur to have its own elected government should be reinstated as soon as possible. Otherwise, the people of Manipur will definitely consider that India is not a government. The government of India is no more the people's government of Manipur, and it will have a very serious consequences in future. Therefore, today, as you have seen, that the kind of response that people have shown is that the people of Manipur is not happy with the way the government of India is handling this situation. We didn't see any sincere approach. The complicit attitude in the subsequent terrorist attacks in the Iren Naga village, in the Torpung village, in Saiton Ganukon, and the recent killing of Nisikanta. All this terrorist act has been remain doing nothing from the government of India, no response from the government of India. People got shocked when the state government issued a condolence message rather than condemning the incident and taking action against those terrorist groups. Such kind of complicit attitude, such kinds of complicit attitude by the government of Manipur as well as the government of India.
Fully endorsed away Tawadabu Quincy Lapiriba Purup Singse, may take a tangi or release Kogani Habadi Langani, Maseda Adumai Queen Lava, actually now Chimita, Masuyauri indigenous or Havatari, Aduga, Masi Khongchat'Meeoi na Punbagis, Tom Kaibearoi, Aduga, Manipuri, Kaibearoi, Manipur Kanba, they have Khongchat'Meeoi, Loinamak support Minasi. Thank you. Manipur Kanba Khongchat'Meeoi Lising Miang Yari, the Sikari Maram, you know, I have a target. Manipur is hub chair, like the Makatsa Manaraba. I could hub Kanaba Masum, and then constitution, Yaba, democracy, Sepalekata, I could hub Matlabasita, I could hub Kanana by the Manipur Pradana, Ibani, Aduna, Hongkik Riba, Kibam Asida, India, Aduna Indiana Army power Sijin Naraga paramilitary force Sijin Naraga Manipur Ola even Nere Besaduki Yame Aduna Masana Targadi Manipur